Welcome to SuiteTrails. Join us as we explore the city of stars in Los Angeles with authentic tours and activities. Get ready to discover the best of LA in 7 exciting adventures. Glowing star #SuiteTrails #Los Angeles Discovery. Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description. Number 1. Enjoy world-class entertainment all in one place at Universal Studios Hollywood. Book a regular general admission ticket that will allow you to receive full access to the park to enjoy a day on all of the rides, shows, and attractions. For those wishing to spend less time in lines, the Universal Express ticket is also available to book. This ticket includes the one-day general admission ticket, one-time skip-the-line park entry, one-time express access to each ride and attraction plus priority seating at select shows. This ticket is very popular with guests, so purchase this ticket in advance here to guarantee Universal Express privileges. Some of the popular rides, shows and attractions you will enjoy at Universal Studios Hollywood include the world-famous studio tour. Go behind the scenes on the world-famous studio tour to explore Hollywood's most famous backlot in the world's largest working movie studio. Tour the world-famous backlot with comedian, video host Jimmy Fallon and learn the secrets of Hollywood movie making. Visitors can experience the largest street movie set in Hollywood history built with creative consultation from Steven Spielberg himself. Guests can see the sets from the hit series and witness special effects used in blockbusters like The War of the Worlds. Plus, you'll ride through the world's largest 3D experience on King Kong 363D created by Peter Jackson. The Wizarding World of Harry Potter trademark from magical spells to magical creatures, from dark villains to daring heroes. It's all here at the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. Explore the mysteries of Hogwarts Castle. Visit the shops of Hogsmeade and sample fare from the Wizarding World's best-known establishments. Despicable Me Minion Mayhem join Gru, his daughters, and the rebellious minions on a heartwarming and thrilling 3D ride. The journey starts in Gru's home, where guests are recruited for his latest scheme, one where they'll become actual minions. Does not apply to food and retail locations or non-seated shows. Harry Potter characters, names, and related indicia are copyright and trademark Warner Bros. Entertainment, Inc. Harry Potter publishing rights copyright J.K.R. S18. Jurassic Park TM and copyright 2018 Universal Studios and Amblin Entertainment, Inc. Park, rides, shows, attractions, entertainment, experience details, and/or access to events may be restricted or unavailable due to capacity, closures, other factors, and benefits. Restrictions are subject to change without notice. Ticket is not valid at Universal Orlando Resort. The ticket is valid at Universal Studios Hollywood, located in Los Angeles, California. Number 2. Get ready to touch, tour, and explore the 110-acre backlot that brought the films Argo and Batman to the big screen with this guided tour of Warner Bros. Studio. From the film Gravity to the TV show Friends, go behind the camera for a revealing look at your favorite cinematic creations. Explore Stage 48, Script to Screen, an interactive soundstage that explores phases of the film and television production process. Reenact a scene from Friends on the iconic Central Perk set, or climb aboard Harry Potter's broomstick for a photo opportunity. Explore the studio store with exclusive merch from your favorite films and TV shows. Dine at the Central Perk Cafe and enjoy your meal amongst recreated sets like Monica's apartment and Joey and Chandler's pad. Recreate scenes from the DC Universe where you can explore superheroes and supervillains. Swish and flick your way through the Wizarding World of Harry Potter and Fantastic Beasts and even have your own Hogwarts house sorting ceremony. Between December 22nd to January 1st, 2023, you'll also be able to explore a special stop at the Midwest Street backlot, known by Gilmore Girls fans as the set location for Stars Hollow. Number 3. Admire in-law's top attractions on a guided bus tour that is customized to your preferences. Take in Hollywood, Paramount Studios, and the Greek Theater. Stop at the Santa Monica Pier and Beach, the original Farmers Market, and the Griffith Observatory. Meet your guide on the Hollywood Walk of Fame. Climb aboard the bus and head straight to Santa Monica. On the drive, listen to entertaining stories and take in Hollywood, the Sunset Strip, West Hollywood, Beverly Hills, and Rodeo Drive. See views of the affluent Bel Air neighborhood and the Getty. Stop at Santa Monica Pier and Beach for an hour to explore the famous boardwalk, shop along the 3rd Street Promenade, and see why Southern California is famous for its beaches. Head back to the bus to take in Culver City and Museum Row. Get insider tips on the best restaurants and museums. Have an hour lunch break at the Grove, the original Famers Market, which is known for some of Law's best dining and shopping. Continue past Fairfax, Melrose, Paramount Studios, the Greek Theater, and Griffith Park. Take in sweeping views of the Los Angeles Basin from the Griffith Observatory. Capture pictures of views of downtown Los Angeles, the ocean, and the Hollywood sign. As you head back to the Hollywood Walk of Fame to end your tour, see the Capitol Records building and explore more of Hollywood Boulevard. Number 4. There are many tours offering to show guests the sea lions. And yes, while you'll likely see sea lions on this tour, and our others, we've decided to offer the coveted opportunity to set your eyes on one of the ocean's most magnificent sea creatures, dolphins. With our extensive maritime experience, we've come up with a tour that maximizes your chances of seeing wild dolphins feeding in their natural habitat. Dolphins are on a schedule, so this tour isn't offered all day, it's only offered at sunset. And while there's no guarantee that we'll encounter dolphins on every tour, we can guarantee that you'll see a beautiful oceanic sunset. Number 5. Get ready to touch, tour, and explore the 110-acre backlot that brought the films Argo and Batman to the big screen with this guided tour of Warner Bros. Studio. From the film Gravity to the TV show Friends, go behind the camera for a revealing look at your favorite cinematic creations. Explore Stage 48, Script to Screen, an interactive soundstage that explores phases of the film and television production process. Reenact a scene from Friends on the iconic Central Perk set, or climb aboard Harry Potter's broomstick for a photo opportunity. Explore the studio store with exclusive merch from your favorite films and TV shows. Dine at the Central Perk Cafe and enjoy your meal amongst recreated sets like Monica's apartment and Joey and Chandler's pad. Recreate scenes from the DC universe where you can explore superheroes and supervillains. Swish and flick your way through the wizarding world of Harry Potter and Fantastic Beasts and even have your own Hogwarts house sorting ceremony. Between December 22nd to January 1st, 2023, you'll also be able to explore a special stop at the Midwest Street backlot, known by Gilmore Girls fans as the set location for Stars Hollow. Number 6. See Hollywood's highlights for yourself on a guided sightseeing tour from the comfort of an open-top bus. Marvel at iconic locations such as the Hollywood sign, where you can stop for a photo and admire the views of downtown LA. Make your way to the local partner's office to begin your activity. Board the sightseeing bus, and away you'll go on your tour of Hollywood. Pass the Hollywood Walk of Fame, the Chinese Theater, the Art Deco entertainment complex of the Dolby Theater, and the circular Capitol Records building and other historic sites you've seen 1,000 times on TV. Next, head to the Hollywood and Vine District at the intersection of Hollywood Boulevard and Vine Street. Cruise down Sunset Boulevard, passing famous bars and nightclubs like Whiskey A Go-Go and the Viper Room. Admire the Chateau Marmont Hotel, where Tim Burton, F. Scott Fitzgerald, and other legends have stayed. Then, drive past the upscale stores on Rodeo Drive as you head towards Beverly Hills. Take a photo of the Beverly Hills sign and the Beverly Hills Hotel, plus see the homes of Tom Cruise, Leonardo DiCaprio, Elvis Presley, and many more. Be dropped off at your Hollywood, West Hollywood, or Beverly Hills hotel at the end of your activity. If you're staying outside of these areas, you'll be dropped back at the local partner's office. Number 7. Enjoy an exciting tour in a private helicopter over Beverly Hills and Hollywood. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.